How to delete watermark in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now first, edit your videos however you would like to edit it. Just like this. Add the music, add the text, stickers, whatever you would like to add. After that, here you can find the export option at the top, just right here. Now select it. After that, here you can find the settings option. Now tap onto this arrow right here. Now to enable to remove the watermark, tap onto this button right here. Now select it. After that, simply tap onto exporting right here. Now it has been exported. Here is one thing to remember: to delete the watermark, you need to buy the yearly plan of the Filmora app just right here, and only by purchasing that you will delete the watermark by using the Filmora app. And that's it. This is how you can delete watermark in the Filmora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.